All right, Danny, are you ready for the game? Is the team ready for the game?
Yeah, I mean, it's my first time in the finals. I'm super excited. The team's super stoked. It's just a great experience that we get to participate in.
Are there any players on your team that have gone the whole way or something like that that have been talking about like what the experience is to be in the Laugardalshöll and just the whole experience there?
Yeah, I mean, we do have some national team players as well, and we have players that have a lot of experience with this, and they just say it's completely different than, just playing any other game. It's finals, it's the crowd's going to be there, everything's just heightened. Yeah.
People have talked about exactly that the cup is different from the regular season. Have you been talking about that with the coach and with the team about like how are you approaching this game differently as a whole?
Yeah, no, we don't really talk about it with the team. You just kind of know it kind of reminds you of like a tournament style. It's win or go home. It's all you gotta go home. Regular season, you have 28 games to get through. You got a lot. You win some, you lose some. This, you lose, you're done. So it's just kind of like you give it your all, just as you should every other game. But it's just more relying on each game.
Is everybody healthy? Everybody 100%? RM, Udriris, everybody good?
Yeah, we're all good to go. We're ready for a good
100%.
game.
All right. Valur Snæfell is also playing the same day. If you win your game, is there a result that you'd like to see on the other side?
You can ask me this after my next game. we gotta focus on one team at a time right now. So we're just looking at Bergvik tomorrow, and depending on the results tomorrow, you can come ask either team which one they would prefer on Saturday.
Fair enough. Stjarnan has a lot of teams going to the cup this year. They have the men's team, the women's team, and 3 youth teams. What do you think this says about the Stjarnan Sports Club as a whole?
Yeah, I mean, basketball's always been a great club, especially for boys, men's. Girls is starting to get there, but it's always been predominantly a men's basketball club, and it's just great to see just youth basketball is growing in Stjarnan, and we'll get the girls getting there too. It's a big deal to have a women's team in the finals this year. I don't think that's ever happened. So just slowly getting there. It's just really good for basketball in Garðabær.
All right. Well, good luck tomorrow.
Thank you.